Hey everyone, welcome back to our English Practice Podcast. I'm Michael.
And I'm Sarah. We're so happy you're here today. If you're listening while walking, relaxing, or drinking tea, you're in the perfect place to learn English naturally.
Today's topic is very important. How should you learn English? Not from books only, not by memorizing long grammar rules, but in a way that helps you speak in real life.
Yes, after today's episode, you'll know how to practice English in your daily routine, at home, at work, or even when you're alone.
Quick reminder, if you enjoy learning English with relaxed conversations, don't forget to follow or subscribe. It really helps us continue making these lessons.
All right, take a deep breath, relax your mind, and let's start learning together. Sarah, can I share a common problem many learners tell me?
Of course, go ahead. They say, I understand English, but I don't know how to learn it properly. I study a lot, but I still can't speak confidently.
Yes, I hear this all the time. And honestly, this is completely normal.
Exactly. Learning English is not just about studying rules. It's about using the language again and again in real situations.
Right. Think about it like learning to ride a bicycle. You can read about it, but you only improve when you actually ride.
That's such a great example. So today, we'll show simple ways to learn English naturally, step by step.
And remember, mistakes are part of learning. Take your time. You're doing better than you think.
Let's start with useful phrases you can use while learning English every day. Phrase 1, I'm trying to improve my English.
This is a powerful sentence. You can say it anytime.
For example, I'm trying to improve my English by speaking every day.
Or, I'm trying to improve my English by watching videos.
Phrase 2, I practice a little every day. Consistency is key. Small practice daily is better than long study once a week.
Yes. Example, I practice a little every day before sleeping.
Phrase 3, I don't worry about mistakes. This sentence changes your mindset.
Example, I don't worry about mistakes. I just keep speaking.
Phrase 4, I repeat sentences to remember them. Repetition is very powerful.
You can say, I repeat sentences to remember them better.
Phrase 5, I try to think in English. Thinking in English helps you speak faster.
Example, I try to think in English while cooking.
Phrase 6, I learn from real conversations. This means learning from how people actually talk.
Like, I learn from real conversations and podcasts.
Phrase 7, I use simple sentences first. Very important. Don't try complex sentences first.
Yes, say, I use simple sentences first, then I make longer ones.
Phrase 8, I listen more than I speak. Listening builds your brain's understanding.
Example, I listen more than I speak when I'm learning.
Phrase 9, I learn new words from daily life. You don't need difficult vocabulary first.
Yes, like, I learn new words from daily life, like kitchen or office words.
Phrase 10, I stay patient with myself. Learning takes time.
Be kind to yourself. Example, I stay patient with myself and keep practicing.
Phrase 11, I enjoy the learning process. This is the most important one.
Because when you enjoy learning, you never stop learning.
Now let's practice together. Listen first, then repeat softly.
Sentence 1, I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
Sentence 2, I try to think in English.
I try to think in English.
Sentence 3, I don't worry about mistakes.
I don't worry about mistakes.
Sentence 4, I use simple sentences first.
I use simple sentences first.
Sentence 5, I enjoy the learning process.
I enjoy the learning process.
Great job. If you couldn't repeat perfectly, that's okay. Progress takes time.
Sarah, how are you learning English these days?
I practice a little every day. I also listen to podcasts while walking.
That's great. Do you worry about mistakes?
No, I don't worry about mistakes. I just keep speaking.
Nice. Do you try to think in English too?
Yes, I try to think in English during my daily routine.
That's a smart method. I also repeat sentences to remember them better.
Same here. And I use simple sentences first, then I make longer ones.
That's exactly how natural learning works.
And the most important thing, I enjoy the learning process.
Yes, when learning feels enjoyable, speaking becomes easier and more natural.
All right, friends. Today we talked about how you should learn English in a simple and natural way.
We practiced useful phrases like, I practice every day. I don't worry about mistakes. I try to think in English. And I enjoy the learning process.
If you stayed till the end, we're really proud of you. That shows dedication. Remember, fluency doesn't come from pressure. It comes from daily, relaxed practice. Take your time. Speak slowly. Repeat often. You're improving step by step. Before we go, here's a simple question for you. How do you practice English every day? Write one sentence in the comments using today's phrases. We'll read it. Keep learning, keep speaking, and be patient with yourself. See you in the next episode. Happy learning!